Hi guys.
Hey.
So, what are you doing today, Lauren?
I'm getting the saws ready. I'm gonna put them in the basket for you, so you can cut down all the limbs up there, and you gotta get the 201 in the basket.
Okay, what kind of saws do we use?
Still.
It's
the only saw to use.
Oh, of course. There'll be some out there that will beg to differ. So anyway, we have a local cemetery that we take care of, and this tree right here, last year we think we had a small tornado go through and do some damage to it, and they're wanting us to bring it down in a controlled manner so it doesn't damage any headstones. So that's our project for today.
Have a fun day.
Now, interesting note, I've had a couple days to warm up. We just got back to work after the long winter and a rocky spring, so I'm feeling really good this morning. A little bit of sarcasm there. We're actually really sore. We actually did a bunch of stretches and exercises this morning, but Lauren has been doing paperwork instead of doing tree work.
I've been doing rope work.
A little bit of rope work, yep.
Yes.
Last couple of days we had some trees to bring down. They were drop only jobs, and we have the trailer along with us today, so that means Lauren
do my job.
Lauren gets to do her groundwork, which is loading the trailer up while I'm cutting everything down. So, and it's supposed to rain tonight, so she'll get a couple days to recover. Yeah. So, all right, let's get her done. Yeah, let's get it done.
Oh, we got a lot of obstacles today. We got headstones, as you can see. Old headstones. So, we got a lot of obstacles to work around. Bring this tree down safely. Trent's doing right now is he's getting cut into the tree, so he actually has room to work and bring everything down. Hopefully you guys can see him. Kind of blends into the tree. He likes to get some of the things out of the way, so it's got more of a control drop so we don't damage anything. Alright, time for me to get to work. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's what they call a microburst, apparently. This right here, there, and even over here. So all of a sudden, just all of a sudden picked up.
Okay. I have Tasha showed up to help Lauren a little bit, and Easton's over there hiding in front of the truck. He's supposed to stay clear, so we're going to be watching him close. And he's watching the drone right now, so yeah, we're gonna give you a little bit of material here, maybe. Right. Well, I'm hoping my camera's set right. It's been a while since I had a camera on my hard hat. And if you hear us talking, it's because we have a Sena headset system. And probably one of the few times I'll mention it until they decide to sponsor us. That would be awesome. But here we go. One thing you'll see me do that's not always kosher is run a chainsaw one-handed, and something that I never recommend to anybody, especially novices. It takes many years to build the strength and control up. That's also not recommended. I'll try my hardest not to do that. What I'm doing is cutting these in manageable sizes for control purposes so we don't damage headstones. And it also makes it easier on cleanup. wrench quick. Yes, I did. Thank you. Lauren was just asking if I turned the GoPro back on. Lauren, I'm gonna switch over to that side. If you guys want to throw some heavies on there, get that smashed down. Or do you have heavies over there? Okay, all right, that'll work. I'll go back to this back side. Nice thing about these Sena headsets is great communication. We just got them last year. If you have a tree service and you don't have these things, the added safety and efficiency is well worth it. Just the safety alone is worth it. Cedar isn't too bad. She's saying they're really sappy. It is spring. I'm gonna do his backside. Yeah. Yep. use that pole saw to cut those bottom limbs. Join up on them. She's not used to this. Because of the pandemic, Tosh and Easton decided to come out and help us and get rid of some boredom. So, and tree work is not easy, and not used to getting your arms all scratched up and everything, which mine are ripped up after the box elder trees yesterday. Lauren says hers are going to be ripped up after today. Hoping that limb will break. Oh no, Lauren, we're going to use gas powered one. It's, oh no, there's a lot of stuff there. Just watch the last few cuts. Part of the reason why I do it one-handed is for controlled drops. I know a lot of people don't like that. They don't agree with it, but it's part of how we do it for most of us. Anybody know where Houston went? Oh, what in the world? All right, I guess it's time to land.
Bye.
See ya.